Hello children, myself Shabaya Patel Kulkarni. I am going to continue way of linear equations into variables. So already I started 3.4 exercise. So elimination method, only elimination method is there for you. So up to 3 sums I solved in last video. Fourth question is x by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1. This is a given linear equations into variables, and x minus y by 3 is equal to 3. These a pair of linear equations into variables they give. So but when these are fraction form, so we want in the form of fraction means what I have to do? First you have to observe the question, then see the denominator. If you see the denominator, what is the LCM of 2 and 3? LCM of 2 and 3 both are prime to each other. The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So by that LCM number, you multiply all the three equations. If you multiply this term by 6, you will get x by 2 into 6 plus 2y by 3 into 6 is equal to minus 1 into 6. All the three terms you have to multiply by 6. After simplification, 2 ones are 2 threes are 3 into x 3x plus 3 ones are 3 twos are 2 twos are 4 into y is equal to plus into minus minus 6 ones are 6. You call this as the equation number 1 now. So I simplified and I reduced to general form of linear equations into variables, fraction form to whole number form. Then the second equation. See here, no number is considered 1 is there in the denominator. Here fraction forms are. So what is the LCM of 1 and 3? The LCM of 1 and 3 is 3 only. So you multiply all the three terms by 3. So if you multiply this x by 3, 3x minus y by 3 into 3. Then this side 3 into 3. So you can multiply by 3 all the three terms. 3x minus 3 ones are cancelled. Y is equal to 3 3s are 9. You call this as equation number 2. So what you have to do now? You observe both the equation now. By subtracting the equation 2 by 1. See now I have observed equation 1 and 2. The first term is same. First term is same means only if I change the sign, so that variable term is going to eliminate. So I written first equation, that is 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. 3x minus y is equal to 9. So subtracting the sign changes. Sign is same. Sign to change the sign, we have to subtract. We don't want to change the sign, add. So now your minus plus is there, minus becomes minus there, plus it is there, this minus it becomes. So then plus 3x minus 3x will get cancelled. Plus 4y minus means plus y, it becomes plus 5y is equal to minus both minus 15 it becomes. Y is equal to minus 15 by 5. So 5 ones are 5 threes are. Y value got it minus 3. So by eliminating x variable, we get the value of y variable value. After getting one of the variable value, you have to substitute this y variable value in any one of the equation. You can substitute in any one of the equation. So substitute y is equal to minus 3 in equation 1. As substituted in equation 1, you can substitute in equation 2 also. No problem, you will get the same solution. So 3 into x plus 4 into in place of y minus 3 I substituted is equal to minus 6. So 3x minus 3 plus minus 4 3s are 12 is equal to minus 6. 3x minus 12 you take it this side, it becomes minus 6 plus 1. So 3x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 3, that is 3 ones are 3 twos are, x value we got it 2. So we have found the solution of x and y by elimination method. Elimination method means we had to convert in the form of both the terms should be same and they should have opposite side, and we can add or we can subtract sometimes to change the sign, and we have to eliminate one of the variable to get the variable unknown variable value. So after getting one of the variable value, that value you have to substitute in any one of the equation, then we will get unknown variable value. This is elimination method. So fourth sum over. Children, copy down in your notebook. Children, I am going to solve the second main now. Second main heading is, you have to understand the heading and you have to understand the statement. According to the statement, you have to write in the form of equation. Then you have to reduce to standard form of linear equations into variables. Then you have to solve by using elimination method. So I am going to read the heading now. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solution if they exist by the elimination method. So they not give your direct linear equation. Form the pair of linear equations. So they gave some statement. What is this first question then? I am going to read this statement. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes half if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? So, by reading the statement, I come to know now what we have to find out here. We have to find out fraction. So, we don't know the fraction here. So, let the fraction be x by y unit. Let the numerator of the fraction be x and the denominator of the fraction be y. Let the digit in the numerator be x and let the digit in the denominator be y. The fraction becomes x by y. X by y. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, so the fraction is x by y. Generally, we don't know the fraction, so we have taken let the fraction be x by y. So when we add 1 to the numerator, then we will subtract 1 from the denominator. It is going to reduce to 1. According to the statement, we have an equation now. X plus 1 divided by y minus 1 is equal to 1. Then you do cross multiplication. So here no number is understood. 1 is there. So cross multiplication, x plus 1 into 1 is x plus 1 only. Y minus 1 into y minus 1 is y minus 1 only. If you multiply with 1, you are going to get the same value. So x plus 1 is equal to y minus 1 equal. But we arrange it according to the standard form of linear equations into variables. First x variable, next y variable, next constant. So x let it be here only. Y I take it from this side to this side. It becomes minus 1. Plus 1 I am going to take that side. Minus 1 as it is here only. This plus 1 when it goes here it becomes minus 1. X minus y is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 it becomes minus 2. Minus 1 in addition after adding it becomes minus 2. So now we are reduced in the form of standard form of linear equations into variables. You call this as the equation number 1. And next, see here. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, fraction reduces to 1 over 1 equation over. And it becomes, that fraction becomes half if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? So according to that statement, I write the question fraction is x by y. If I add only 1 to the denominator, it is going to be half. They gave me the statement. So according to the statement, we have to write the equation. Now cross multiplication you do it. 2 into x, 2x, y plus 1 into 1, y plus 1 only. So y you take it this side, it becomes minus y. 2x minus y is equal to 1. You call this as equation number 2. From 1 and 2, now I consider both the equation. So x minus y is equal to minus 2, 2x minus y is equal to 1. So by observing minus y both it is there. So you can subtract equation 2 by 1 also you can write it, but because to change the sign. You can from 1 and 2 instead of that you can write it subtract equation 2 from 1 also you can do it. Subtracting. So subtracting equation 2 in equation 1. Subtracting. We have to subtract here. So sign changes. Because of that reason we are subtracting equation 2 from the equation 1. So our sign changes. So then x minus 2x is minus x. Minus y plus y is immediate cancel. We are eliminating. I am eliminating here from the variable, that is y variable here. So this is 1 or 2, then substitute x is equal to 3 in equation 1. Equation 1 is this one, x minus y is equal to minus 2. In place of x, you substitute the value x is equal to 3, that is 3 minus y is equal to minus 2, minus y is equal to minus 2 minus 3, then minus y is equal to minus 5, so y is equal to 5 I got it. So here we got it one of the both the variable value. But what they told for us to find out what is the fraction they asked. So let the fraction be x by y, let the x be the numerator and y be the denominator. We have taken. So according to that the fraction is x by y. So x value I got it 3, x value I got it 3 and y value I got it 5. So therefore fraction is nothing but 3 by 5. So they told for us to find out the fraction. I got it fraction as 3 by 5. Okay children, copy down in your notebook. Okay children, you have to understand the statement. According to the statement you have to write the equation. You have to reduce to standard form of the linear pair of equation, and you have to find out one of the variable value by eliminating unknown variable. Then that value you have to substitute in any one of the equation to get another variable value. This method is called as elimination method. Children, copy down. Children, I am going to continue with the second sum of this main. 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Nuri and Sonu? We don't know what is the age of Nuri also and Sonu also. So we have to consider. Let the present age of Nuri be x years. And the present age of Sonu be y years. Then, according to the statement, 5 years ago means both the ages it will be reduced to 5 years. 5 years ago, age of Nuri it becomes then x minus 5 years, and age of Sonu it will be y minus 5. But according to the statement, 5 years ago Nuri age was thrice as old as Sonu. So according to the statement, we have to write this equation. The age of Nuri will be after 5 years, means 5 years ago, means before 5 years, the age of Nuri will be thrice as old as Sonu. So I will write the age of Nuri is equal to thrice the age of Sonu. So the age of Sonu is y minus 5 years. X minus 5 years is the age of Nuri. So simplify now. X minus 5 is equal to 3 into y 3y plus into minus 3 5s are 15. So then take it this side variable. X minus 3y. 3y if it comes this side it becomes minus 3y. If this minus 5 if it goes this side it becomes minus 15, as it is minus 5 it becomes plus 5. Then you arrange it. X minus 3y is equal to minus 15 plus 5 is minus 10. You call this as equation number 1. 10 years later, age will be same. If the present age of Nuri be x years, then the next 10 years means 10 years increases. So the Nuri age becomes x plus 10 and the Sonu age becomes y plus 10. So 10 years later, age of Nuri will be equal to x plus 10 and age of Sonu it will be equal to y plus 10. But according to the condition, after 10 years, the age of Nuri will be twice the age of Sonu degree. So according to that, age of Nuri is x plus 10 and the age of Sonu is y plus 10. Twice the age of Sonu. Simplify now. X plus 10 is equal to 2 into y plus into plus 2 10s are 20. So then x 2y if I take it this side it becomes and minus 2y it becomes then 20 as it is. 10 you take it from this side to this side, then it becomes minus 10, sign changes. So then x minus 2y is equal to 20 minus 10 is 10. Then you call this as equation number 2. This is in the form of general form of linear equations into variables. Then by elimination method, both the equation are written to see the same term is there. If I change the sign of any one, I will get eliminated. So I am changing or I am subtracting from the equation 1 from from equation 1 and subtracting equation 2. It becomes like that way to change the sign. So we have changed the sign. Then I eliminated x variable. Then minus 3y plus 2y becomes minus y is equal to minus 10 it becomes minus 20. Then y value is equal to 20 because both the sign minus sign is there. So if you multiply both the side by minus sign, it is going to be positive. So y value got it 20. What we kept y means the age of present age of Sonu be y I kept. So that I got it 20. So then the age of Sonu is present age of Sonu is 20 years then. Then substitute this value in one of the equation. As substituted in equation 1. Then if I substitute this is the equation 1. X minus 3y is equal to minus 10. This is equation 1. In this equation y value if I substitute 20. Then I am going to get x minus plus minus 3 into 20 60 is equal to minus 10. Then x is equal to minus 10 as it is. Minus 60 you bring it to this side. It becomes plus 60. Then x is equal to 50. So x is equal to 50 means what we kept later the age of Nuri will be x we kept. So the age of Nuri, present age of Nuri will be 50 years. So they told for us to find out the age of Nuri and the Sonu. Therefore age of Nuri is 50 years and the age of Sonu is 20 years. Please children write down.